Celestina. Kwami se wenye baby amount. Na fini kone ya. Amanti unji wenyana. Inti Celestina. Kwami se wenye baby amount. Fisu kone ya.
Guys, I'm so disappointed. I just realized that I didn't press play and I was just talking. Oh my god. This is very heartbreaking. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know my name, but if you're new here, my name is Frimpoma. It's like 7 o'clock and the sun is already out as scorchy and all that. Today I'm going to sweat a lot. I need a lot of water today. Okay, so if you're new here, as I said, my name is Frimpoma. Thank you so much for clicking this video and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel as well. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I work out, okay, and how I do my facial routine. I've been working out for like the past 2 weeks, which is not even very consistent. I work out at least 3 times a week. Okay, I don't go to the gym. This place is my gym. Okay, and I'm not seeing any big improvements in my body. Okay, but anyways, I'm not going to give up. Okay, because no pain, no gain. The reason why I'm working out is because I've been eating and sleeping and repeating the process all over again in this quarantine season. And you know, when we go back to school this year, it's going to be graduating. Okay, I don't want to lose my grad body. If you want to know how I work out, if you want to know how I do my facial routine, I advise that you watch this video to the end. So let's get into the video. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much today. I'm going to lose a lot of fat because I'll be doing a lot of exercises. Let's get into the video.
This is Sunday drive. What is the animal watching? Kutinti unji wanyana. Kutinti unji wanyana. Sister Friday, washeda yeti uje. Enunti unji wanyana. Enunti unji wanyana. Enunti yanji yanyo. Ya bechi yanya. Yanji yani. Enunti yanji yanyo. Yanji yanya. Ya bechi yani. Celestina, kwami se wenye baby amount. Na fini kone ya. Amanti unji wenyana. Inti Celestina, kwami se wenye baby amount. Fisu kone ya. Ame unji wenyana. Misi ebechi yenyo. Ebechi yenya. Mayenji yenyo. Ebechi yenya. Misi yenji yenyo. Ebechi yenya. Yenji yenyo.
So guys, this is why I take my break. I'm so tired. Oh god, my bones are very weak, you know, but as I said, no pain, no gain. So it is very necessary for you to relax whenever you do your exercises. Okay, so I think I'll be relaxing for the next 5 minutes before I move back into action. So after here, I'm going to do my facials for you guys to see. Okay, so if you like this video already, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Oh my god, I'm panting. This feels so good.
Kwami se wenye baby amount. Na fini kone ya. Amanti unji wenyana. Inti Celestina. Kwami se wenye baby amount. Fisu kone ya. Ame unji wenyana. Misi ebechi yenyo. enya, my enyo, enya, say enyo, enya, enyo, say enya.
Okay guys, so right now I'm in the washroom. Let's begin with my facial routine. Okay, so it's not anything special, but I've been trying this for the past 3 weeks. Okay, and it's working like magic for me. Okay, so it's just this Civaldem gommage that I've been using. I've had it since last year, but because it's quarantine and I'm home and I'm just eating and sleeping, I know there'll be some fat building up on my face, so I just want to use this exfoliating cream on my face, and I've been using it for the past 3 weeks. As I said, I use it twice every week, so I've been using it for 6 times already, and I love the effects that I'm getting. So I'm just going to go ahead and spread the cream on my face. Okay, but before you do that, wash your face with some water before you put this thing on your face. As you can see, I'm still in my workout clothes. Most of the times people do their facial routines before they do any other thing, but because I'm working out nowadays, I just work out, do my facial routine, and then take my bath. Okay, so that's what I'm just going to do.
Bag mango confirm. That girl warrior dog gum. No get tasty, I like gum. Your ex they step dog gum. I go be the boss anyway.
So guys, this is it. I'm just going to gently massage the thing into my face. Okay. So as I'm rubbing the thing on my face, the cream on my face, it is gently removing all the dead cells on my face, and it works like magic. I'll show you how my face looked like, and then how my face looks like after using the cream for just 6 times. So this is the 7th one I'm using again. So I'll show you the before and after of my face. So now guys, I'm done. If you guys want to know what is in this bottle, it is just water and like a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, so I do this to, you know, burn all the fat in my body. Okay, this is what I've been doing. I know most of you know that I used to be big. That was what I was doing, and again, I'm not going to talk about this. I'm going to leave this story for another time. So this is just a mixture of water and lemon juice that I have chilled. You can see my bottle is sweating. Good. So I chill it so that it doesn't become very difficult for me to drink. So you can also try this every morning, okay? So now I'm waiting for the cream to work a little on my face before I wash it up and take my shower. So give this video a thumbs up because I know you like it. Subscribe, just hit the red button down below. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And please share the link on all your social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching this video.